Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen.
This is the ID.3 Pro Launch Edition 3 finished in the gorgeous King's Red metallic paint in combination with the black roof as well. You've got your 58 kilowatt battery producing 204 PS and giving you a range of up to 258 miles as well. You'll have peace of mind motoring with this vehicle the remainder of the 3-year manufacturer's warranty alongside the approved used benefits, which includes 2 years roadside assistance and much more. Starting off at the front, as well as adaptive cruise control, you've also got the full LED headlight to provide a fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side of the car, you've got these beautiful 20-inch Sanya alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding heated wing mirrors, as well as privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards. The huge amount of boot space available is split folding seats and also a load-through hatch for any longer items, so plenty of room there for multiple suitcases or any further luggage. You've also got a little bit of storage under the boot floor as well to store your charging cables. Moving inside, you get lovely part leather, part Alcantara upholstery, giving a nice luxurious feel. There's also a couple of USB ports on the back, so your rear passengers can charge their devices. At the front of the vehicle, you got a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. There's also a centre armrest and plenty of storage running down the centre, with a couple of USB ports there as well. You've also got full electric adjustment, including memory setting for multiple drivers. Alongside digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you've also got sat-nav navigation on board with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. It also shows charging points as well. Alongside this, you'll also benefit from the brilliant App Connect system, giving you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to mirror up from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. This car also benefits from the augmented reality heads-up display to keep all your vital driving information to keep your eyes on the road. And you've also got the ambient lighting pack available with loads of different colours to choose from depending on your preference. To help with parking, as well as front and rear parking sensors, you've also got a fantastic 360 camera system to give you a view around the vehicle at all times. You've also got a bird's eye view there as well. You've also got dual zone climate control with heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. And you've also got the latest safety systems on board to keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, such as side assist and much more. There's even multiple driver modes available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. And you've got the fantastic Beats audio sound system available as well, with the surround sound there. And loads of different settings to choose from depending on your preference. And you can see with the Beats logo just on the A-pillar as well. Just running down the centre there, got wireless phone charging and a couple more USB ports you can charge multiple devices on the move.
This vehicle comes with 2 years warranty, 2-year roadside assistance, as well as much more. If you need any more information, please call us on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.